What's up, YouTube? Hope you're all doing well. It's a cool and crisp morning here in Big Bear. It's 28 degrees right now. My truck has a nice layer of ice over the hood of it, if you can really tell. Still a little bit of snow left over. Damn, look at my roof rack, all frozen. I do have some new MaxTrax I'm gonna be installing, putting these up here on the roof rack. I got the Prinsu mount with them as well, so be installing that right now. Hopefully my hands don't freeze while I'm doing this, and then we're gonna go down to the lake and get some fishing done, so stay tuned. All right, here's the box for the MaxTrax. Got these on Tacoma bees. Can't find my pocket knife, so I'm gonna be using this cool double-sided knife that my grandpa gave me back from World War II. There we go, and that should be it. Let's see. Damn, almost the same color as the truck. Oh, damn, they're heavy. There you go. Like titanium gray and cement gray. Almost the same color. What's inside the box? Thank you, CBI. Some chapstick, 2 Prinsu mounts, all your hardware, maybe some recovery straps or some straps. Oh yeah, there you go. Straps go on the MaxTrax. I've never seen the straps used, so I'm not too sure how to use those. And then mounting pin set, which the MaxTrax will go on. So just like anything, there are several different kinds of recovery boards you can find online. I mean, you can go on Amazon and get a pair that's 80 bucks. MaxTrax, however, are gonna run you around $300. If you need the Prinsu mount, you're looking at another 50 bucks, I think. Shipping, tax, you know, you're looking at around $400 to get this installed. However, I think it's going to be worth it in the time I need them when I'm stuck. I haven't read any reviews of their MaxTrax breaking, so that's good. All the other ones I found, there are plenty reviews where they say that the boards break. So I think these will definitely be worth it in the long run. And you can't beat that, lifetime warranty. Now this just came with them, so it secured them. It just talks about them in the back, how they're lightweight, they got handles, all terrain for wet, dry, sand, dust, mud, all that cool stuff. So definitely worth it if you're considering getting some of these, because you will need them in the time you get stuck. If you remember when I did my roof rack, I had it kind of spread out a little awkwardly because I wanted to be able to look out of my moonroof without seeing any bars. So I might have to adjust these. So one rack will go there, and then the next one is gonna be here, but it looks like I'm gonna have to fix my racks and put one here. Might be a little bit of a pain in the butt. Okay, so the Prinsu mounts are gonna be facing the windshield. So this, the part that comes out will be towards the windshield, and then the other one will be towards the tailgate. You've got these little T-slots, which you can move to have the Prinsu mount anywhere. So you can put your MaxTrax in the center if you want, or all the way to the right or left. So I'm gonna go as far to the right as possible, and then that one will just sit in there. I'm gonna make that flush, and then we've got washer and bolt, and then same thing for this side. And then this is where the Prinsu, or where the MaxTrax pins are gonna go in here and there in the larger ones. Once you have it secured in place, the Prinsu mount, then you have the MaxTrax pins just fall straight in to the bigger slot, and then you have 2 washers and 2 screws which will go underneath. So the issue we have here is having to tighten down the bolts. What I'm going to end up doing is taking off this rack, and I'll probably just take out the front rack to make it easier, and then we'll tighten all the bolts and then just reattach these 2 racks onto the roof rack. So just keep that in mind, is there's not much clearance down here because the bolt area is pretty long right there. Well, 4 hours later and we're back. Had to go fishing, so I needed to stop what we were doing. Also had to go to a hardware store, so keep this in mind. It's a pretty long screw right here, so it's not gonna, the bolt that I had didn't fit, just wasn't long enough, and it's an 11/16. So put that away. All I did was just get a wrench 11/16, and then also channel locks. So while you're tightening it, you're gonna have to hold on to the pin, and there's actually a little spot where the channel locks go, right there. Just hold on to that. That way it makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to tighten all 4 pins, and then I'll mount it up to the roof rack, which I have the piece over there, and then we'll get it all set up there.
Okay, now that I've got it mounted, I'm going to do the same thing. Try to get my, let's see here. See if I can get this into there. Alright, there we go. Kind of struggle a little bit. Okay, I'm going to mount this just next to the opening for the T-slot. Tighten them up. Damn, that gotta be extremely tight either. Just enough. Adjust this back rack a little bit. Does line that.
Now that it's all secured in, how you can lock it is just turn the pins backwards, and that'll prevent them from coming up. All mounted. Super easy installation. If you've got the right tools, you're looking at 20 minutes at the most. At the most, if you have to remove a rack and rearrange it. Other than that, super quick. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And as always, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.